Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super exciting one. I know that I usually post on a Sunday, this one's going out midweek, but I wanted to make sure that I had everything in place to show you for this video. So as you can probably guess from the title of this video, this is my big 500,000 subscribers thank you giveaway. I'm going to give away 5 different prizes, one for each 100,000, to 5 of my subscribers, just to say thank you for sticking around, thank you for supporting. I just can't believe we got to 500,000. It's absolutely crazy. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be giving away, and then I'm also going to be telling you how you can win, so stay tuned to find out. So as I say, I am giving away 5 prizes, so I'm going to show you one of the bundles, and then there will be 5 of these to be given away. And I think even though I've cut them down into 5 different ones, they are still awesome prizes to receive. So first of all, I'm going to show you the yarn. I'm going to be sending out the lucky winners some Karen yarn. So Karen Simply Soft is a yarn that I absolutely love, and these colours are just absolutely divine. So you will get 2 of these colours each, so 6 balls of Karen yarn in these stunning colours. They are very Bella Coco, aren't they? You will also be receiving 6 balls of Banat baby blankets. This stuff is absolutely gorgeous, and you will be getting 2 of each of these colours as well. I also have this gorgeous bag of Paintbox yarn here. Now what you will be receiving is a gift voucher to spend on whichever Paintbox yarn you choose. You know that I love Paintbox, it comes in amazing colours, so you can either try something new, like a different range of Paintbox, or you can stick with what you know and love, but you will be getting a voucher for Paintbox yarns. You will also be receiving one of these gorgeous patterns from Wool and the Gang. These patterns are really modern and just really beautiful, so you'll be getting one of those. And then last but by no means least, you will be getting a year's subscription to Crochet Now magazine. So how amazing is that prize? Don't forget there will be 5 of you winning one of these each, and I just think that's a gorgeous prize to win, so I really hope that you're excited about it. What you need to do is go over to my website, which I'll leave a link in the description box below, and it will give you all the information of how to enter. Basically the only criteria you need is to enter on there and also subscribe to this channel. There will also be additional ways that you can enter as well, but all of the details will be on the blog post itself, so make sure that you click in the description box below and go across to that website. But again, thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. It means so much. I have big plans for this year, so make sure that you stick around. I know things have been sort of a bit on and off the past year or so, but as you know, I have been adjusting to motherhood and I've been hit with a few different obstacles, but we are pushing through it, and this channel I feel is going to bring you lots and lots of content this year. So thank you so much again, and good luck if you are entering this competition. Don't forget, everything is in the description box below. I shall be announcing the winner on the blog as well, so I'll let you know what the end date is for it in the blog post. But thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!